Hello everyone, my name is Jahan and welcome back to a video where today I have a little surprise for you guys. Let me actually load it up first. Welcome to Windows 1.0, the first ever version ever, and we're going to be seeing it. This is the MS-DOS Executive, also known as Windows 1.0. This is the first ever version of Windows released in 1985. We have kilobytes of space, amazing for 1985 standards. And yeah, this thing is called the MS-DOS Executive, and in case you didn't know, this is essentially like the taskbar slash start menu slash everything essentially. Let's start out with some stuff. Let's start with the calculator. This obviously looks a lot different. I mean, we got this circular thing. I don't know what that's about. I just have a represent a finger like you're actually pressing the buttons, but then again, we don't have that in Windows today. Now let's actually try to do a basic math equation real quick. Let's just see what happens if I do this, this, and this. Like I thought. I thought it was going to give me something else. Let's go to calendar. As you can see, it's basically a more manual version of the calendar that we're used to. We're used to a more automatic thing, which is, I guess, cool. But yeah, card file, it's basically like a little, whatchamacallit, a little context thing, except it was much more confusing to use, well, to my standpoint anyway. Clipboard, basically the cut, copy, and paste thing where everything goes. Clock, the time's not accurate though. I don't know if I can get the digital clock up. It's icon. Oh, that's just basically minimized. Never mind. So yeah. Then we got command.com. This was essentially the thing, and I can't close it unless I type exit. Yeah. So then we have control. That's the control panel. It says it's 744, and oh my gosh, this is accurate. And it's actually not because it's like 3 seconds off, which I guess is okay. Let's go to map. Oh, it's just like you can swap the mouse buttons. You can even change the color. Much more um customizability. Like you can legitimately change everything. You can change the active, inactive stuff, which I don't know if anyone wants to do that. I mean, this existed till Windows 8 when they removed that feature then, and you can test your double click speed, which is nice. Yeah. So then we have do this.txt, which I believe is a to-do list. I did not write this. This came with the thing. So yeah, find.exe is broken. Now let's try. We got some font files here. HP laser. This is supposed to be if you have a HP laser printer. I do have one, but I don't know how to set it up to Windows 1.0. We got MS-DOS and a bunch of other stuff. Paint. This is the one we're all excited about. This existed up until Windows 10, where it kind of still existed, but it was in the form of Paint 3D. This does have 3D features, which is very reminiscent of Paint 3D, except it's more manual. Like, for example, if I put this, as you can see, it gives us this, which I guess is okay in a way, but again, I have no idea what this. Yeah, I mean, like a little parallelogram. Let's just get out of that, and let's not save anything. Wait, Reverse E. This game was Steve Ballmer's amazingness. I don't know how to play it. Yeah, I think you're supposed to. Yeah, yeah. Look, I have no idea how to play this, and I don't know which player am I. Am I winning? Am I losing? I have honestly no idea. But yeah, let's hope I win. You know what? I'm just gonna leave this because I don't know how to play, and I don't wanna, you know, screw myself up. Anyway, write.ac. This is like Microsoft Word, and yeah, yeah, this is a test. Let's just get out of there. Let's not save this. Anyway, so let's look at some features. We have run, still exists in today. We got many other things. We got special stuff. You can change the volume name, which you can kind of do. You can make a disk, partition pretty much, format data and stuff, and you can end the session. And let's just open up clock.exe. Now let's double click this. We got snapping. We can't really snap side to side. You can only snap top to bottom, which is kind of weird. And yes, and there's a side scroll bar, which is also weird. Anyway, you can also minimize stuff by just double clicking them. As you can see, we got minimization, which is nice. I don't know if you can actually drag him. Can you drag him? Oh my gosh, you can. But then again, can you drag it? Oh, you can do drag to side to side. It's like Windows Snap, but much more weirder, and you can. Wow, this is actually really amazing. I've never tested this out before. Anyway, so yeah, that's about it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.